Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about compounding annually. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that Michelle put 45,000 in the bank for 5 years. After 5 years, her son can withdraw for 4 years in the college. So that means after 5 years, the first withdrawal is at the end of each month, starting 5 years from today. We know that the interest rate is about 5% compounding annually. We know that she put 45,000 from this number 0 to number 5. We can find about the future value at year number 5 in here. So we have present value multiplied by 1 plus r to the power of t. We know that present value that's about 45,000. The interest rate, we know that this is about 5%. And we have 5 years in here. So we calculate about this one. And we have 57,432.67 US dollars. So after 5 years, her son can withdraw each month for 4 years. So we need to use about compound in here. So the formula of this one, we have the present value. We divide by 1 minus 1 over 1 plus r over n to the power of Tn over r over n. So because each month, so we know that n should be equals to number 12, because 1 year we have 12 months. That's why we have n equals to number 12. R we have 5%, and t that should be about 4 years. About this one, that's about the present value in here. If the son withdraw the money, they start from this boy in here, so we calculate about the present value in here. Now after we analyze everything, we can put the value. This present value, that is about this one in here. Over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 5%, we divide by 12 to the power of 12 multiplied by 4 over 5% divided by 12. So we calculate about this number in here, and we got 1,322.63, and this is the final answer we need to find in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.